Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify Discord account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Discord app. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're inside here, you can see a gear icon or settings icon on the top right. Simply tap on that. And once you're inside settings, here you'll be seeing this bunch of options. Now under account settings, you'll be seeing your option that says account. And once you're inside here, if you haven't verified your Discord account, above the account information you'll be seeing a red bar to asking you to verify your account. Now simply tap on that verify button, and the next step is to go to your Gmail app and then open up the email that is sent by Discord to verify your account. And once you tap on that, all you gotta do is scroll down and then tap on the link that is given to you. And once you tap on that link, you'll be redirected to your browser. And now all you gotta do is just simply follow the process to verify. And that's basically how to verify your Discord account. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.